Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2024, and we're diving into PTC's recently released earnings report for the fourth fiscal quarter and full fiscal year 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. PTC has shown some interesting results this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Great. Let's get started with an overview of PTC and their latest earnings report.
PTC is a global software company that focuses on digital transformation for industrial and manufacturing companies. Their latest report highlights solid growth in annual run rate and cash flow, which are key indicators of their financial health and strategic direction.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. PTC reported a net revenue of $627 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 15% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is quite impressive, driven by strong performance in their recurring revenue streams, which include subscription software and cloud services. This aligns with their strategic focus on digital transformation solutions.
And what about profitability? The earnings per share for the quarter were $1.04, a significant increase from last year.
Yes, the EPS growth of 175% is remarkable. This was supported by an operating margin expansion to 31%, up by 880 basis points. PTC's focus on operational efficiencies and cost management has clearly paid off, enhancing their profitability.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Moving on to cash flow, PTC reported an operating cash flow of $98 million for the quarter, nearly doubling from last year. What does this indicate, John?
This significant increase in operating cash flow, up 97%, highlights PTC's strong cash generation capabilities. Their free cash flow also more than doubled, reaching $94 million, which provides them with the flexibility to invest in growth and return value to shareholders.
Speaking of shareholder returns, PTC announced a new $2 billion share repurchase authorization. How does this impact investors?
This is a positive move for investors, as share repurchases can enhance shareholder value by reducing the number of outstanding shares, thereby increasing EPS. It also signals management's confidence in the company's future prospects.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. PTC's strategic initiatives seem to be paying off. They reported a 12% growth in ARR on a constant currency basis for FY 2024. What are their plans moving forward?
PTC is focusing on enhancing customer value and scaling their business. They've realigned their go-to-market strategy to better serve customers, which is expected to drive ARR growth of 9% to 10% in FY 2025. This strategic realignment is crucial for sustaining their growth momentum.
And what about their financial outlook for the next fiscal year?
PTC has provided a robust free cash flow guidance of $835 million to $850 million for FY 2025. This reflects their confidence in maintaining strong cash generation, even as they invest in strategic initiatives and manage the impacts of their go-to-market changes.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, let's summarize PTC's performance and investment prospects. John, what are the key takeaways for investors?
PTC has delivered strong financial results with a 10% increase in revenue and a 51% rise in EPS for FY 2024. Their strategic initiatives, including a $2 billion share repurchase program, position them well for future growth. The positive guidance for FY 2025 further underscores their potential as a solid investment opportunity.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on PTC's performance in the comments below.